Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Looker Studio data freshness using BigQuery scheduled queries, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying Looker Studio data freshness using BigQuery scheduled queries, first, ensure you have access to both Looker Studio and BigQuery. Log into your Google Cloud Console and navigate to BigQuery. Select the project that contains your dataset. In the BigQuery interface, identify the dataset that you wish to monitor for data freshness. Take note of the specific tables within that dataset that are relevant to your Looker Studio reports. Next, proceed to create a scheduled query within BigQuery. Click on the Scheduled Queries option in the left-hand menu. Select Create Query to initiate the process. In the query editor, write a SQL query to retrieve the latest timestamp of your data. This query should target the relevant tables and extract the maximum timestamp column. Once your query is ready, scroll down to the scheduling section. Choose a frequency that suits your reporting needs, such as hourly, daily, or weekly. Make sure to set the time zone according to your requirements. Now, look for the option to save the results of the query into a new table. This new table will serve as a log to monitor data freshness over time. Define a name for your output table, and select the dataset where it will be stored. Before finalizing, review all settings and ensure everything aligns with your intended outcomes. Click Save to schedule the query. Now, head back to Looker Studio to integrate this freshness data into your reports. Open your Looker Studio dashboard and add a new data source. Select the BigQuery connector to link your newly created output table. Once connected, you can use this data within Looker Studio to visualize data freshness. Consider creating a chart or a scorecard to represent the latest timestamp you pulled from BigQuery. Finally, periodically review the scheduled queries in BigQuery to ensure they are running as expected and providing accurate data. This process allows for effective monitoring of how fresh your Looker Studio data is, ensuring your reports are always updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.